Hello everybody. In the recent video I showed you my CNC plasma. In this video I will show you how I made the start button for my PC. So first of all, I've got this wired up. So here's the IC power in that goes to this switch over here. Don't worry, it's turned off. It's bridged over here, so the power for the PC goes right away from this, so this is bypassed. The neutral and the safety wire goes directly to the PC, but the phase wire, so the power one, goes first to the switch and then it goes to the PC. So it's already set to 1, so if I set it to 0, the PC doesn't have the power, and it's on 1. When it's on 1, the PC has the power, so it can turn on. With this start button I had to do a little workaround, because normally to turn on the PC you have to press the button that's over here, but when I want to have the button on the PC of the control cabinet, I had to bridge the first button on the PC. So there's a wire coming out of the PC. It's barely visible, but it's this tiny one. It goes inside the case, and I had soldered the wires to the original button, and it goes over here, and in this cable duct it goes over here to the switch, so it turns on the PC. And I had to get a little creative to get the light to turn on. It's this blue one. When the PC is running, it lights up. So to make it work, I had to make some major modifications to my system. This is the phase wire, the red one. It goes from here. Well, actually this is the end, but it goes from here over there, back there, this in this cable duct over here, and back to this relay over here, and it's powered from this rail, from this where it goes over here. And there comes the red wire over there to the relay. So to switch on the relay, I also had to get creative, because it's a 24 volt relay DC. So when I want it to switch on when the PC is running, I had to use the boost converter, which is over here. This is powered by this wire coming from the USB on the PC. So when the PC turns on, the power on the USB turns on as well, powering this boost converter, which ultimately powers the relay, providing power to my light over here. So I will show you how it works. So okay, so for the light to show up, this one to light up, you have to switch on the main power. The green one lights up, so it indicates the power for the machine is enabled. And now the PC is not running. When I push the start button for the PC, this one, the light shows up, indicating that the PC was turned on. So you can now operate the machine using the provided PC in the control cabinet. In the next part I will get this running. This is this part over here is the, I don't know, pass-through for the USB. I have to get the extensions to go to the PC, so I can connect anything from the other side to the PC over here. This is made because when I place the wireless mouse and keyboard or the Wi-Fi connection inside the metal control cabinet. When it's closed, it wouldn't have any signal, so that's why it's made with the pass-through. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this state of improvements or modifications. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.